Yathi bengisolo ngifuna isong of the year ngingade ukuthi ngidojuba ngani umnyaka. Yathi kusengafika na December nashi swinene la. Neda ngikwati icula mina ngido bese ngiyayikhuluma le mara ngimvile ukuthi vele nebafana bematsonga nani ulalele iLunch Crunch ku Bizarre FM 104.1 the pumping beat of Vegas lemili bidong Prince Valley kuna ela ngicela ukwamukela la msakutweni njani.
Ngiyaphila njani lapho eBarberton?
Ngicela uzivisele sekuvela kule ngoma sitokhona kuphila kahle.
Shinene mina namashaka angara vokatela. Shinene mina namashaka angara chingatela. Mina nabafana bamachangandara vokatela. Itake sigo mama nile mgangwini vachina. Hibasoleka ni puza shindera. Igaza timali puza shindera.
Akatsaki bo mama kuphela nami nitsakile la studio la nami nitsakile ngoba so ende so
nakhenza ngoku
yeah ngikubonga thina kumlaleli lo ngamadi la ngoba nami angifuni ucamba manga ngiyaqala kwathi ngathi song angikwadi la ngibani wakuphi lo vela.
All right, my name is Ere ngivela eMakwarela in the Venda homeland. Mara okwamanje mina ngihlala kaJoni kaJoni. That's what they say in Tonga, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm based in the big city.
I3 Step is sound yamanje and even le compo is sound yamanje. So ngicela history yakho music uqale nini kwena music wena?
As an artist, mina music ngiqale last year. Isingle yami yokuqala ngidrope last year. I've been dropping my singles throughout the year. So right now I just dropped the album, which is My House, where that song Swinene is now the lead single yale album.
So when that house music well? Because this is house music.
In the house music, yazi, because house music, mangocheka kahle house music allows you ukuthi uchaze story sakho kahle. Uyabhala, it's a story, it has a beginning, it has a middle, it has an end, and nokujiva kancane yabo. So mina ngithanda ukubhala istory, ngifuna ukutshela abantu ngempilo, ngifuna ukumotivate abantu ngempilo, ngifuna ukukhumbuza abantu ukuthi kumele nithandaze empilweni. So that is why I chose the house music genre.
Then la yini kwenda ukuthi choose a subgenre it step with the song?
Because it allowed me to have that modern sound.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to go old school because I do love old school music, you know. And nakhona bengathi ukuthi ngifuna ukwenda i-deep house or ngifuna ukwenda i-soulful house or ngifuna ukwenda i-afro house or afro tech. So ngathola ukuthi i3 Step iyangivumela ukuthi ngihlanganise konke ngize ne-sound a little bit different and unique but also relevant kulesi sikhathi samanje.
Nikhethe njani because ubala i-album not been leader ngema single ukuthi this song ebe leading single already nyalo masesiva thina i-hit song la mangacocela ukuthi lo munye la bekajiva ngalenye indlela so kwenteke njani nikhethe njani ukuthi kube leading single album yende?
Yazi into ehlekisayo ngale ngoma is that this is the last song that we actually did in the whole project.
Yeah.
Ngiyatshela. So uLumbrara naye wangena makangena yena ufaka into yakhe.
Yeah.
Makayifaka lento le it just became like something where I had a melody. So ngahlala unomnye umfana, he's your homeboy, igama lakhe uDream Chaser EXO. Bekakhona estudio and I was like, listen, I've written everything ngeSivenda, in Zulu, in Xhosa, in English even. Mara anayo into that's giving me that Tonga thing, you know. So either give me something in Tonga or give me something in Swati because he speaks both languages.
Yeah.
So ngamnikeza melody, wangibhalela Swinene, and I'm just like, hey, this is what it is. And ngendlela esirecording ngayo, it was so much fun. We're just like, maybe let's give people this energy and let's see ukuthi izongena njani yabo.
Kule track le uyi-one already so highlightile ukuthi kune album ma features ufeature bubani ku album yakho?
In my album khona uDream Chaser EXO, who is a nice boy, and he's also helped me co-write some of the music. Khono Lumbrara, who is a keys guy, and he also plays bass guitar. Khonabo Tate Mac DJs, they're also from Mpumalanga. Khonabo Cly, and I've got a boy from Tanzania, his name is Msamiati. And Crosswave, who was very integral in the creation of the entire project, because most of the beats that are there were created by him. Nostembi, so from I must just move to the Nas area, because the Nas boys seem to be loving my sound and helping me out a lot. So there's a lot of people and it was really exciting creating the project.
Nasingajabula ma ungamuvela ngala le ngoma already seyiphumile leyo nabantu bangayithola beve nalelo kunye lokuphumile.
ingoma zami zonke zitholakala ku-all ama-streaming platforms, so Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, nakhona nizozithola lapho. Igama u-Ele, ELEH, and this album in particular weSinene is titled My House. Yeah, even on social media platforms my sounds are available ukuthi abantu bazisebenzise noma benza ama-reel noma njena bafuna ukucula nami. My sounds are all available on social media as well.
Ungasakhweshi sifake khona lapha ku social media because besifuna kubuka ingoma sesifuna kuyobona wena nyalo ngenteka yini challenge seyiphumile sitokhona dansa kahle sikuthola njani social media?
Igama u-Ele Music on all social media platforms, so whether it's TikTok khona ama-challenge kancane. Sinene ine-challenge khona enye intombazane ngenzela i-challenge nami sangihlula kodwa ngoba ngikwazi ukudansa mina ukujayiva kusinto yami mara ngisafunda nami, so sizotholana phambili.
Siyabonga ukuthi uzivakashele la nyalo ngifuna kudlala le ngoma ngenteka nami ngidokuhlula ngale challenge siyabonga.
Ngeke kuhlule wena ngiyakuzwa iphingo lakho lengitshela ukuthi wena unama-move e-dangerous kabi, so I will wait for you to tag me so that nami ngizokwazi ukushare lento yenze ngale ngoma. Mara nami ngiyabonga ngesikhathi sakho nesikhathi sabalaleli bonke.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you so much.